Hey YouTube, I'm back again with another video, you guys. Today I'm having just king crab legs because I'm a little full from eating earlier. But I said I'm going to come do a video for you guys because that's what we do. Now, hold on, let me just get some water because I'm thirsty. Anyway, shout out to my hubby for um, recording this for me, and also the lighting. He just said I better shout him out, and he is doing his thing. He just got to do the editing and all that. He got to learn that. When he learn that, we're going to be litty. You hear me? So anyway, guys, I'm going to say my grace, and I'm going to get in there. So here we go. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Thank you for this water that I'm about to receive. Thank you for life, period. Amen. Yes. Yes. Sorry I paused a little bit because I was about to say a whole bunch of thank yous, but then I realized I don't want to go all the way into that. I'll do that on a later night, like before bed, you know. So guys, yes, I got these crab legs from AlaskanKingCrab.com. I will put the link down below so you guys can go on over there and get you some, okay? Because it's lit. Babe, can you bring my scissors? Sorry, I usually supposed to come prepared, but I don't really use scissors. I mean, if you done seen my videos, you know I don't use scissors. I use teeth. But today, I'm going to use some scissors. Yeah, because these are really, like, prickly than normal. So, alright, y'all. Thank you, man. Yeah, can you bring it? Yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I love crab legs. Oh, and I got the lovely B-Love sauce the other day. I could not eat no B-Love sauce, y'all. Because my chest was not having it. Something was hurting me or something. I'm not sure what it was, y'all. But you can just set it on there. I don't know what it was. But all I know is that I wasn't trying to eat. Not that I couldn't, I just didn't know what it was, so I wasn't trying to eat it. That's about it. Look at that, y'all. Look at all that. Yep. Yep. Stop. Let's see what it be like. Babe, bring some napkins. That shit hit different. Yeah. I ain't put no. I ain't putting no onions in it this time, you guys. Babe. Ooh. I made that one real spicy, y'all. I just called him to come bring me some napkins, y'all. Babe! I guess I had to be a little bit more louder. Yeah, I cooked these in beer. Can you bring me some napkins, please? I cooked these in some beer this time. Ooh. Thank you. Ooh. Mm. Ooh. This stuff's so good. It's so good, y'all. I felt something on my chin that I didn't get. So. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's so good. So good, y'all. Ooh. Well, I was hoping it came out. Maybe it's gonna come out right in there. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I did that one. I did that. Hey. Y'all. Don't mind me. My man ain't got no lemons. I ain't get no lemons, y'all. I used them all for that 15-pound lobster. Damn. Damn. Hey, rest in peace to Cameron Boyce. I remember him from Disney. Rest in peace to him. That's sad. Everybody is dropping like flies, you guys. I don't understand. What is it? What is it? Hmm. What y'all think happened to him? I don't know. I just seen people saying rest in peace to him. But what y'all comment? They don't know if you know what happened. My condolences to his family and his fans and stuff. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. That's that pepper in his daggone butter sauce. Whew, making me sneeze. So guys, I have 2 more months before I get my surgery. I am getting the bariatric surgery, which means I'm getting some of my tummy taken out because I had a C-section and a little bit of scar tissue. So if I tried to, you know, exercise and lose weight, it wouldn't, I wouldn't lose any because of that. So, October, I will be getting the surgery. I am super nervous because, you know, with any surgery, it's a risk. with any surgery. So I'm super nervous, you guys. Super nervous. But I need to be able to, you know, lose some weight. I can't be fat over this tummy my whole life. I just can't. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all want some? Hold on, I'm put some sauce on it. Here we go. Mm. 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 Ooh. Yeah, so I'm about to get that surgery. And luckily my doctor is doing it. And um, my government insurance is paying for it. Okay? My government insurance. My government insurance is paying for it. I don't mind. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. I'll get that later. Yep, y'all. So I ain't gotta worry about that stress. Look at this big three. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see what that hit like. See what that hit like. I should have put some more garlic, minced garlic in here. Mmm. 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 Oh, y'all took these in beer. Oh my goodness. You could taste the Heineken. I mixed it with Heineken and Coors Light, y'all. Oh, you could just taste it. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry, y'all. I just gotta get into this. Mmm. Woo. Mmm. 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 Woo. That butter sauce be spicy all around your face. Spicy all around your face. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Go check out Alaskan King Crab, y'all. They does it the best. The meat so sweet. The meat is sweet. Woo. I wish I had some lemon. Man, I ain't got no lemon. And that's that. Ooh. Yes, I'm drinking water, y'all. Woo. And that water is good, good, good. Oh. Woo. So, I told my daughters I was going to save them 2 little legs. Because they pressing me for it. Ooh. Almost dropped that. Man, don't want nothing off the floor, baby. Not saying my floor not clean, but all floors be dirty. Clean on that. I don't care how much you clean it. Floor still be dirty because foot is still walking on it. You know what I'm talking about? Yep. 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 Okay, y'all. Come through. You and you. I don't know why every time I do a video, I gotta sing that song. That song always in my head. All the time, y'all. All the time. Anyway, how have you guys been doing? I ain't even asked my babies how they been doing. How y'all been doing? What y'all do today? Me, I did a couple of errands, ran a couple of errands, and that's it. Didn't hurry up from work. Got put hubby up from work or whatnot. And that's about it. I ain't doing too much. Oh, that was trying to come out. Oh, be nice. Oh, be nice. Oh, yes. And it took the little fat off for me. Look, and it took the little fat off for me. Hey. That's what I'm talking about. This one came out perfect. All you hear in my video is babies crying. That's sad. Do not bring Ava out here. Oh yeah. Baby's crying. There don't be nobody but my swabber and Ava. And she usually don't cry. But now, she done got used to everybody holding her and spoiling her and all that good stuff. So yeah, she think it's okay to just cry for no reason. I'm gonna do one of these, y'all. Actually, let me do this. Let me do this. That's big. These be the prickly things too. They be having a whole lot of prickly stuff on it. That called me. Gotta get comfortable for that one. That called me is a bomb. You hear me? Oh. Sorry, y'all. It fell on my dress, but I ain't gonna eat it. Saying bye to boot up. It just won't stop now. It hurt my mouth. I can't find it. Oh well. That got swallowed. It was hard a little bit. Bam, boot up. Baby daddy. This ain't about to finna cut this. This ain't about to cut this. If you take care of your teeth, you can bite through anything. I got them good pearlies. My teeth is good. Oh, did I get a thumbnail? I don't even remember getting a thumbnail. I think hubby wants some, y'all. He always do. Look at him standing right here. I wish y'all could see him. Look, I said look at him like y'all could see him. But he's just standing right here. You want some?
Girl wants some too.
I don't care about that. You want some of this? It's spicy. Okay. Yeah, that hit different when you sucking it up like that. That's that hot stuff. Well, that meat tasted good, y'all, without the salt. Y'all, so I'm going to bring on 2 of my crazy children, because if I do not put them on this video today, they will be mad at me forever. Samaya and Fat. They will be mad at me forever. I hear something out there, over here, over there.
What you said?
Have a seat. Excuse me, y'all. Do anybody else, when they eating spicy food, do anybody else cough up like some type of cold or cough or some type of inflammation in the throat or chest or something? I don't know, but every time I'm eating something spicy, this is what I do. If you're gonna hide in my video, then you're gonna get out of my video. Now, here you go. And here you go. Now get the cracking. You want to use scissors? Alright, then you wait. When you finish, you give her the scissors. Say hello to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Is y'all camera shy?
Hi.
Okay, because y'all be doing all these dances and stuff on YouTube, so I don't understand why y'all shy.
YouTube.
Yeah. And cameras, y'all ordering cameras, doing these little, those dances and stuff. There should be no reason why y'all acting shy in my video. We ain't about to do that. Tell them, y'all, we don't do that. That shy stuff. So you gotta tell them how good it is.
Good.
Tell them, not me. Tell them
It's
how good
good.
it is. It's the, how spicy is the sauce?
It's really spicy.
You guys, this is my oldest daughter, Samaya. And this is my stepdaughter, Fefet. You ain't got yours open yet? You're moving hella slow. Let them people see you open it. Put it up. Ooh. So, dip that, dip that. Dip that. Can't get it out? Why you ain't cut it? You just had the scissors.
But it didn't go all the way up.
You want me to help you?
Oh, I got it.
Okay. Then let me see y'all do it damn thing.
Ooh. This looks good.
Make sure you trim the fat. Put it over there. Put it up so they can see. If they can't see
I
you.
want to eat the fat.
You got some of that ketchup
So I can get
and
fat.
mustard and stuff?
Mm-mm.
And sauce?
Nope. I ain't got none of that sauce. That's spicy, fat.
Real spicy.
I do got some. Go get the sauce out the refrigerator. I got something for you, baby. You don't have to eat the spicy stuff. You just drop your damn phone. iPhone's not cheap now.
This?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Let me get this shell off so I can salvage this little piece. I keep dropping meat. You can get it over yet? You guys, hold on. This right here is my homemade sauce. It has, I'll leave the ingredients down below to what's in my homemade sauce. If you're from DC, you know what sauce I'm talking about with any seafood. So, since Fat cannot eat spicy stuff, come on this side, Fat. Since Fat cannot eat spicy stuff, my daughter Samaya ate hers, her mouth on fire. I got this, she can have some of this. So,
I'm having a piece.
Whew. And you gotta put it over there. Oh, hold this, and go a little closer to the camera, and show them how good it is. That. Is it good, girl? Somebody had his mouth on fire over here. Why you didn't get you some water?
It's real spicy.
Go ahead, it's cold. It's good. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Ooh. I can't talk no more. Let me go ahead and salad this. Good?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
My lips burn.
Now, I fulfilled that little wish. Nope.
Milk is nasty.
Whew. Come through. You and you. Whew. Sorry, y'all. Ooh, that hurt. That really hurt me. Let me get this out. I wonder if this one, can I crack this open with these scissors? What's y'all think? Not this time. I can hear you. Push that back. Push that back. That ain't gonna work. Hey, teeth. That worked. That sure did work. Hold on. I don't want my meat to break. And these things. Excuse me, y'all. I don't know how soldiers got in my mouth, in my throat like that. Excuse me. I don't know where that just came from because it wasn't even on this one. Oh, my meat breaking anyway. Whew. Okay. Yeah, this sauce spicy. It's spicier than normal. It really is. Do that. Ba-do-da-do. It just won't stop, else. Thought you was.
Can I get some more, please? But it was good.
Get off my video. Bye. Tell her bye. What you done got? What you got over there? What the hell?
I'm just going right in to get some bread.
Right, cause instead of talking,
I want to ruin your video.
somebody else just did. As usual.
So I'm going to go get a piece of paper and write it down.
And you still talking.
Because you just said...
She's still talking, y'all.
You just
Can't y'all
said,
hear
why
her?
didn't I talk?
So that means write it down. Don't talk. Y'all kids is irritating. They lovable, but they irritating. Yeah, I got this something nice coming for y'all sometime this week. So stay tuned for that. Look out for that. Something nice is coming for you guys this week sometime. So please look out for that. Look out for that, because it's coming. It's coming. Funny. Boot up. Ooh, y'all, I'm getting full. I'm gonna eat these last two, and then I'm done. Actually, I gotta say heavy some. So I'm gonna eat these last two right here. She's trying to go ask her father can she have hers, but she ain't getting that. Y'all, she ain't getting that. That kid's funny. Kids is funny. Look at all that, y'all. Look at all that. That sauce be hitting good. Nah, I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, does that say 32 or 37? I couldn't even see. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all with this. Don't forget, I'm done, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Share the videos with the world. And let them know what I'm doing because it's about to go down. Do you hear me? It's going down in the history. So share this video, y'all. Please thumbs up. Hit the button.